Oh, the Washington rice is hot with chicken, shrimp, and the veggies in the pot. A little soy sauce, maybe some spice. You know it's time for some fried rice. Fried rice, take a big scoop. Chicken, shrimp, that crispy loop. Fluffy and tasty, it hits the spot. Fried rice is the dish that's always hot. You can eat it for lunch or take it on the go. It's got that flavor that steals the show. Mix it, toss with the magic on full. Place a fried rice with its weight on full. Fried rice, scoop it up quick. The chicken shrimp is the perfect mix. It's savory, it's dreamy, it's oh so nice. Dig into the joy of fried rice.